Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add stickers in Instagram chats. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Instagram app in your phone and then go to any messages. Then from here, what you want to do is you want to tap and long press any messages. And from there, you should be able to see an option that says add sticker. Just click on it and there you go. As you can see, you'll be able to add any stickers you want from the options below. And that's how you add stickers. Now, if this isn't available on your end, don't worry. Just make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. To do that, just go to the Play Store or Google Play Store, then check if Instagram has any update. Just make sure that Instagram is up to date, then go back to the app, and you should be able to see the add stickers option. That's it. Now you know how to add stickers in Instagram chats. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!